Right, it's got a faulty side stand switch. You can clearly see there it's broken as your side stand. The customer couldn't get the bike going. Quickly went onto Google, had a quick look, unplugged the plug, put a split pin in it so you can get the bike running, so you can get it over to us. So this is the other end of that side stand switch. This is the main wiring loom, so he's just pinned it out. Right, let's go see what caused this problem. Okay, we're back at the side stand. Now the side stand seems to work fine, but if I grab it and lift it up, we can see that bolt is moving with the side stand. Right, see if I can tighten that bolt up. Okay, so it's gone to the end and it's just spinning. So it would appear that it's stripped the thread out. So this bolt is stripped out. Although I've tried to tighten it, it's still moving around. So I'm going to take this cover off. There should be a second bolt further up. Yeah, there's another Allen key head bolt there. It's also loose. That one seems to tighten up, so I'm going to do that one. Yep, that bolt is definitely stripped out. Someone's been at it before because they've put a groove down the side of the bolts. What they've tried to do is create this into a tap. So I've got the bolt out, just cleaned it and wire wheeled it. You can see there's actually some grooves in it. Someone's got a disc cutter to this, put the grooves in and turned this bolt into a tap, which makes me think this particular hole that the bolt goes into must have had some debris or dirt or something in there. They couldn't get the bolt in properly, so they've turned this into a tap to try and cut its way in, but what it's done is it's just destroyed the hole in the thread. So I'm going to remove this bracket, inspect the hole. I should be able to repair it, stick a helicoil in there and hopefully put it all back together. Now this particular bolt doesn't look great. There is some damage on the thread. This one that was next to it is in good condition, but where this goes into here, this has to have an Allen key bolt to fit in this recess, but I may change this bolt to just a regular bolt and not reuse this one because it's already damaged. Right, let's get the bracket off and assess the damage. Okay, well the hole doesn't look too bad. It is oval, but we should be able to tap that out, put a helicoil in there. I need to drill this hole before I can tap it. This arm's in the way. You can't take this off because looking at it, someone's ruined the 5mm bolt. It's all rounded. So I'll take it off from here and hopefully you can still get the drill in there. helicoil is in. When you're using a tap, always use grease. It helps get all of the shavings out. What is a helicoil? This is a helicoil kit. It comes with an oversized tap, so you tap the hole, you put the insert in, and these inserts have a little tab at the back which locates into this tool. It helps you screw it in. So okay, I've taken the remainder of the side stand switch off, so that's going to go back on now. And that's the old bolt. So this is the original bolt from the back side here. So I'm going to reuse that one at the front. I'm going to replace this one with just a regular bolt. And you must use high tensile steel because the entire weight of the bike is on this. So you can't use mild steel, so it'd be high tensile or stainless steel. Because this back end is just flush, we can just put that one there, that's not a problem. But this is recessed, so we do have to use this one for that recess head to go into. Okay, I've just got this plastic cover off here. I've got some cable ties holding this old sensor on. Okay, it's all back together. I'm going to get the bike down now and test the side stand switch, make sure it works. So ignition on, bike in first gear, stand down, when start, pull the clutch. There you go, side stand switch works. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video, guys. Ducati Monster side stand switch was packed up due to the bolt being cross-threaded. It wound itself out and damaged the switch. So, as always, if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you're notified next time I upload one of these awesome videos. Take care, guys.